Ensures safe, reliable fast charging for MacBook Air, maintaining battery health, ideal replacement or backup for daily use in travel.my. Today's video is about top 5 best 45W MacBook Air charger that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Anker Prime Charger for MacBook Pro. The Anker Prime 160W 3-port USB-C charger is an impressive blend of power and portability. Despite its compact, AirPod-sized design, it delivers a massive 160W total output, making it perfect for users who need high performance without carrying bulky adapters. The standout feature is its 140W single-port output, which can fast charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro up to 50 in just 25 minutes, ideal for professionals on tight schedules. With PowerIQ 5.0 technology, this charger intelligently distributes power across 3 devices, allowing you to charge a laptop, smartphone, and tablet simultaneously without sacrificing speed. It truly replaces multiple chargers with one sleek solution. The addition of Anker SenseView enhances the experience by providing real-time power monitoring and customizable charging modes via Bluetooth, giving users more control than ever. Overall, it's a powerful, smart, and travel-friendly charging solution backed by a 24-month warranty, perfect for modern multitaskers. Now our second product is Tearplex MacBook Pro Charger. This 96W USB-C MacBook charger delivers reliable fast charging performance in a compact and durable design. It can fully charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro in just 1 hour and 35 minutes, while powering a 14-inch model to 50 in only 30 minutes. With up to 98% charging efficiency, it outperforms many lower wattage chargers, making it a strong choice for demanding users. Its wide compatibility is a major advantage, supporting MacBook Pro and Air models across multiple years, as well as laptops from Dell, Lenovo, and HP, plus iPads and USB-C smartphones. The charger intelligently adjusts power output, ensuring safe and efficient charging for each device. Safety is well covered with built-in protections against overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits, giving peace of mind during long charging sessions. The included 6.6-foot cable is durable, flexible, and tested for long-term use, adding convenience for everyday setups. Overall, it's a dependable, high-performance charger that balances speed, safety, and versatility for both work and travel. Our third product is SiliconV MacBook Air Charger. This 45W T-tip power adapter is a practical replacement charger designed specifically for MacBook Air models from 2012 to 2017. With an input range of 100 to 240V, it's suitable for travel, while the 14.85V/3.05A output delivers stable and efficient charging for 11-inch and 13-inch MacBook Air devices. The charger is compatible with a wide range of older MacBook Air models, including a 1435, a 1465, and a 1466, making it a reliable backup or replacement option. However, it's important to note that it does not support newer MacBooks, post-2017, or MagSafe 3 devices, so compatibility should be checked before purchase. A helpful feature is the LED indicator on the connector. Amber shows charging in progress, while green signals a full charge. This simple visual cue adds convenience to everyday use. Overall, it's a dependable and budget-friendly charger for older MacBook Air users, offering solid performance, essential safety, and responsive 24/7 customer support if any issues arise. Now number 4, Sccvee MacBook Pro Charger. This 140W USB-C fast charger is a powerful and efficient solution for modern devices, especially MacBook users. With up to 140W PD output, it can charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro to around 45 in just 30 minutes and reach full charge in about 1.5 hours, making it ideal for busy professionals and heavy users. Despite its high power, the charger remains compact and lightweight, featuring foldable prongs for easy portability. It's a great companion for travel, office, or home use. The wide compatibility supports multiple MacBook Pro and Air models, as well as iPads, smartphones, and other USB-C devices, automatically adjusting power output for optimal performance. Safety is well handled with built-in protections against overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits, ensuring reliable long-term use. The included 6.6 feet USB-C to USB-C cable is durable and supports stable high-speed charging with smart power management. Overall, this charger combines speed, versatility, and portability, making it a dependable all-in-one charging solution. And our last choice is Ifeart charger for MacBook Pro. This 96W USB-C charger is a powerful and efficient solution for MacBook and other USB-C devices, delivering super-fast charging performance for everyday and professional use. It can fully charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro in about 1 hour and 47 minutes, while boosting a 14-inch model to 50 in just 30 minutes, offering speed comparable to MagSafe 3 and outperforming many lower wattage chargers. Designed to support Apple's M1, M2, and M3 chips, it ensures stable and optimized charging across a wide range of MacBook Pro and Air models from 2016 to 2024. Its broad compatibility also extends to iPads, Surface devices, and other USB-C laptops and smartphones, making it a versatile all-in-one charger. The included 10 feet 5 a USB-C cable with eMarker chip supports safe high-speed charging and 480 megabits per second data transfer, while protecting device ports from damage. A soft LED indicator provides charging status, and the foldable plug enhances portability for travel. With built-in protections against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, this charger combines speed, safety, and convenience in one reliable package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.